Lewis structure is very straightforward for people to have a view on the molecular structure. The octet rule. You may consider it as an 8 electrons rule. The rule is based on the fact that noble gases are inert. The special stability of noble gases must be associated with their electron configurations. The rule tells that an atom exhibits the tendency to attain a noble gas configuration either by sharing or transferring electrons. When we draw a Lewis structure, draw dots as electrons, one dot for one electron. Draw straight lines for bonds, one line for one single bond. As seen in the example at the bottom, ionic salts can be drawn as shown, and ammonia is well described by 3 lines for single bonding. How do we know what the most possible Lewis structure for a molecule? We have to evaluate the formal charge of a given structure. The lower the formal charges for an atom, the more possible structure for a molecule. Formal charge is defined as the difference between the number of valence electrons from an atom and the number of electrons owned by the atom in the molecule. And there is a trick to evaluate the formal charge quickly. Use the formula that formal charge equals the number of valence electrons of the atom minus the number of sticks, number of bonds, and number of dots, number of electrons around it. For example, sulfur trioxide. You can draw different structures you can imagine. Then calculate the formal charge for each structure. Here, a triangle structure of sulfur trioxide. We use the formula valence electron minus sticks and dots. Then we have all the formal charges for every atom in the molecule are 0. So this triangle structure must be one of the most possible structure of SO3. The octet rules is applicable to small size atoms. Large size atoms have an expanded octet. More than 8 electrons can be carried in an atom. Here, in this example, bromine atom has 10 electrons around.